Satco new screw-based lamps with integrated motion sensor are an easy and affordable way to improve the safety and security of your home or business. By simply installing these lamps, you can convert any standard fixture into a motion-activated light source without the need for additional wiring. Whether you need additional security lighting for walkways, entryways, or garages, these new products are the perfect solution. The integrated motion sensor has a 90-degree viewing angle and a 26-foot range, so it will detect motion from a wide area. And with dusk to dawn operation, you can be sure that your property is always well lit, even when no one is there to turn on the lights. These lamps are also dual mode capable, meaning you can choose to have them always on or motion activated. They are now available in A-shape, 12-watt replacements for standard 75-watt bulbs, and 14-watt PIR 38, used in outdoor security lighting, replacing 90-watt halogens over garages and anywhere else around the exterior of the home or office. They have 5-minute activation time and are as easy to install as screwing in a light bulb. Install Satco's new PIR screw-based lamps with integrated motion sensor and enjoy instant security lighting in any application. For more information, go to satco.com.